Today I want to show you a little video about the side project I have worked on the last weekend. It's about the Apple I. The Apple I is a very special computer for me because I've never had one in the past, and of course today it's so expensive, several $100,000, and so the chance is very slow that I will ever get one. So what I have done, written an emulator for the Apple I on the Apple Vision Pro. Take a look. There are still issues with the implementation of the keyboard, but once that is done, you have really a full working Apple I on your Apple Vision Pro.